Today, we are going to discuss between India and Nepal dispute. This dispute was started when Nepal issued its new map by claiming Kalapani in south, the Lipu Lake in southern eastern part of Uttarakhand and Limpiadhura in northern part of Uttarakhand. All these parts are controlled by India's Indo-Tibetan Border Police since 1962. Kalapani is marked by Kalapani River, one of the headwaters of the Mahakali River in the Himalayas. The valley of Kalapani forms the Indian route to Kailash Mansarovar, an ancient pilgrimage site. Lipu Lake is a Himalayan pass border between India's Uttarakhand state and the Tibetan region of the China near their tri-junction with Nepal. Limpiadhura is the origination of River Kali on the spirit of Article 5 on the Sugali Treaty 1816 on the basis of the map published by the British Service before 1860. It is tri-junction point where the territories of India, Nepal and China meet. Relations between India and Nepal. India and Nepal share a unique relationship of friendship and cooperation characterized by open borders and deep-rooted people-to-people contacts of kinship and culture. There has been a long tradition of free movement of people across the borders. India has a very good bilateral trade relation with Nepal. India's export to Nepal have substantially increased and undergone major structural changes. The major export includes petroleum products, machinery, spare parts, transport equipments, textile, chemical, electrical goods, medical products and many more products. But these relations have been disturbed. At some point, when the Chinese ambassador helped Nepal in saving Oli's government, this has led to more Chinese government involvement in managing the Nepal's domestic politics, due to which Nepal has given unexpected statement, which includes Nepal's PM has consistently kept saying that the most coronavirus cases are coming from India, even in situation when India has helped Nepal by providing them with medicines for treatment of COVID-19. Military power. Indian Armed Forces are the military forces of Republic of India. It consists of three professional uniformed services: the Indian Army, the Indian Navy and the Indian Force. It is the world's second largest military force and the largest volunteer army. It also has the third largest defense budget in the world. Whereas, on the other hand, the Nepali Army is the military land welfare force of Nepal. They are organized into 6 active combat divisions. The Nepalese armed forces are the volunteer force with an estimated 95,000 active duty personnel and 50,000 reserve personnel. But then also they fired on Indian farmers in Sitamarhi district on borders in Bihar on 13 June, in which a 23-year-old man died and 2 were injured. The firing was done because the Indians were moving near the borders during that time, some chit-chat, and then the Nepal police opened fire. But then the DG SSB Mr. Kumar Rajesh Chandra said that this problem has occurred in Nepal and now everything is normal, but the border security is on alert. So the video is about the ongoing border tensions between India and Nepal. As on 14 June 2020, the Nepal's parliament had voted in favor of an amendment to the constitution to alter country's map by saying Kalapani, Lipu Lake and Limpiadhura as the part of Nepal. So let's see what will India react on the situation.